Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Talk Sarah. I hope you're doing well today, wherever you are. Maybe you're at home, maybe outside, or maybe listening while walking. Sarah, how are you today?
Hey, Ahmed. I'm good, yeah. A little tired, but in a nice way, you know? It's one of those normal days, not too exciting. How about you? How's your day going?
Yeah, kind of same actually. I woke up early, then I was like, 5 more minutes. But no, I made some tea, checked my phone, and started working. So yeah, very normal day.
That sounds very real life. And viewers, that's exactly what this video is about. Normal days, normal English, not textbook English, just how real people talk every day.
Yes, exactly. In this podcast, you don't need to be perfect. Mistakes are okay. Even we make mistakes. The goal is to speak slowly and confidently.
And if you're someone who understands English, but you feel shy to speak, this is for you. You can listen, repeat, and practice with us. No pressure, just learning together.
By the way, welcome if you're new here. This channel is all about real spoken English. If you like this style, you can subscribe. All right, let's relax and talk.
So, Ahmed, today's topic is very simple. Talk about your day. But honestly, many people feel stuck here. They don't know what to say.
Yes, true. People think they need big words or long stories, but in daily life, we talk very simply, like, my day was okay. That's enough.
Exactly. If someone asks, "How was your day?" we don't give a full speech. We just say small, easy sentences.
And beginners often say things like, my day is very goodly. Goodly? We don't say that. We say, my day was good.
Yes, good point. So today, we'll show you how to talk about your day. Morning, afternoon, evening. Very easy. Just real daily English.
Okay, Sarah, let's start with morning. If someone asks you, how was your day, you can start with your morning. Like, in the morning, I woke up early.
Yes, not I am wake up early. We say I woke up early, past tense, because the day is finished.
Right. Repeat after me, viewers. I woke up early. Say it slowly. I woke up early.
Good. And you can add one small thing. For example, I woke up early and made breakfast. Very simple, very natural.
And if your morning was not good, it's okay. You can say, my morning was a bit stressful, or I was tired in the morning. No need to sound fancy.
Yes, and notice something. We say a bit stressful, not little stress. Small corrections like this make your English better, but don't stop speaking because of fear.
Exactly. I remember before, I used to think too much. I was like, is this sentence correct? Then I said nothing. That's worse.
Same here. So viewers, small practice now. Pause the video for a second. Say one sentence about your morning.
Okay, welcome back. Even if you said only one sentence, that's good. Speaking is like exercise. Small steps every day.
Yes, and remember, your sentence doesn't need to be perfect. I woke up late. That's okay. Self-correction is natural.
Now let's talk about afternoon. Usually people work, study, or do house things. You can say, in the afternoon, I was at work. Very common sentence.
Yes, or I studied in the afternoon, not I am study. Past tense again.
And if nothing special happened, say that. Like, the afternoon was normal. Native speakers say this all the time. Normal is okay.
I like that word, normal, because many learners think their life is boring. But boring life still has English, and that's what we need.
True. For example, my afternoon today, I answered emails, had lunch, and felt sleepy. Very exciting, huh?
Very exciting. But that sentence is perfect English. Simple verbs. Answered, had, felt. That's real life.
Repeat after me, viewers. I had lunch and felt sleepy. Again, I had lunch and felt sleepy.
All right, let's move to the evening now. Evening is when people relax a little. They come back home, eat dinner, watch something. Very common daily English here.
Yes, you can say, in the evening, I came back home. Or simply, I got home in the evening. Both are okay.
But many beginners say, I reached to home. That sounds logical, but we don't say reached to. We say, I reached home or I got home.
Good catch. So, viewers, repeat after me. I got home in the evening. Slowly. I got home in the evening.
Nice. And then you can add one more thing. I got home and had dinner with my family. That sounds very warm and real.
Yeah. And if you were alone, you can say that too. I got home, made dinner, and watched YouTube. No problem, no shame.
Many people will relate to that. Also, notice the verbs got, made, watched. All past tense, small verbs, but very powerful.
Okay, viewers, your turn again. Say one sentence about your evening. Even one sentence is enough. Go ahead, say it out loud.
And don't worry if you stop in the middle. I got home and watched TV. That pause is human. We all do that.
Now let's put everything together. When someone asks, "How was your day?" you don't need a long story. You can give a short, natural answer.
Yes. For example, my day was good. I worked in the morning and relaxed in the evening. That's perfect daily English.
Some people say, "My day was very nicefully." No, we don't say nicefully.
Right. We say, my day was nice, or my day was really nice. Just add really if you want more feeling. Simple upgrade.
Repeat after me. My day was really nice. Again, my day was really nice.
Good. And if your day was not good, that's okay too. You can say, my day was a bit stressful, or it was a long day.
Yeah, it was a long day is very common. It doesn't mean bad exactly. It just means you're tired. Native speakers say this a lot.
I say that almost every day. It was a long day. Viewers, remember this sentence. You'll use it many times.
Now, after you answer, the other person usually asks more, like, "Oh, really? What did you do?" This is normal conversation flow, not question-answer like an exam.
Yes, and your answer can be very short. I worked, I studied, I stayed at home. Short answers are okay.
Learners often think short answers are rude, but in English, short answers are normal. You don't need to explain everything, just enough.
Exactly. For example, what did you do today? I worked and then rested.
Repeat after me. I worked and then rested. Again, slowly. I worked and then rested.
Good. And if you don't want to talk much, you can add nothing special. Very, very common.
Yes, nothing special is a magic sentence. It saves you when you don't know what to say. Use it freely.
Okay, quick practice. Imagine I ask you, how was your day? Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. Go ahead, try now.
And remember, speak. Don't think too much. Mistakes mean you are learning. Silence means nothing is happening, so speak.
Sarah, let's talk about some common mistakes. Very gently, no pressure, just things we hear a lot and how to fix them.
Sure. One big mistake is tense. People say, "Today I go to work." If the day is finished, say, "I went to work."
Yes. Another one is using doing too much. I was doing job. We don't say that. We say I was working.
Good example. Repeat after me, viewers. I was working, not doing job.
Also, word order. Some say, I very enjoyed today. We say, I really enjoyed today. Really comes before the verb.
Yeah, English is a little picky there, but don't worry. Even if you say it wrong, people understand. You can fix it slowly.
You know, Ahmed, I like this topic because everyone has a day. No special knowledge needed, just your life.
Exactly. That's why this is great for beginners. You don't need new vocabulary every time. Same words, new confidence.
And viewers, if you practice this every day, talking about your day will feel easy. Then other topics also become easier. It's like a door.
Yeah, first door. Once you open it, you feel less scared. English becomes a friend, not a problem. That's the goal.
Okay, Ahmed, now let's help viewers go one step more. Not long stories, just a little longer answers. Many learners want to speak more, but they don't know how.
Yes, the secret is adding one extra detail. Time, feeling, or reason. That's it.
For example, instead of saying, my day was good, you can say, my day was good because I finished my work early.
Nice. Or, my day was tiring, but it was okay. See? Two feelings in one sentence. Very natural English.
Repeat after me, viewers. My day was tiring, but it was okay. Again, slowly. My day was tiring, but it was okay.
I like that sentence, because real days are like that. Not perfect, not terrible, just okay.
Exactly. And English is the same. Not perfect, not terrible, just improving slowly.
Now your turn again. Take your basic sentence and add one reason, like because or so. Try it now.
And if you stop, it's fine. My day was good because, that thinking sound is human. Don't hide it.
Sarah, we should also talk about bad days, because not every day is happy, and learners need English for that too. Real-life English.
Yes, very important. If your day was bad, you don't need drama words, just simple honesty. For example, my day was not great.
Or, I had a rough day. That's very common. Rough means difficult, not smooth.
Repeat after me. I had a rough day. Again, I had a rough day.
Learners sometimes say, my day was very badded. No. We say very bad or really bad.
Yes, and you can add one reason if you want. I had a rough day at work, or I was very tired today.
And it's okay to stop there. You don't need to explain everything. English is communication, not confession.
True. Sometimes just saying it was a long day is enough. People understand.
Okay, Sarah, let's do a small role play. Very natural, like friends talking. Viewers, listen carefully. This is real daily English.
All right, I'll start. Hey, Ahmed, how was your day?
It was okay. I worked in the morning, then I felt a bit tired in the afternoon, but the evening was nice.
Oh, nice. What did you do in the evening?
I got home, had dinner, and watched some videos. Nothing special, but relaxing.
That sounds good. Sometimes boring is peaceful.
Yeah, exactly. Peaceful boring is my favorite kind.
Okay, viewers, now you try this role play. Imagine Ahmed asked you, how was your day? Answer like he did, 2 or 3 sentences.
And don't rush. Slow English is clear English. Clear English is confident English. Take your time.
Ahmed, let's share some very common phrases. These are used every day. Not fancy, not textbook, just real.
Sure. Number 1, same as usual. If nothing changed, say that. Same as usual.
Repeat after me. Same as usual. Very useful.
Number 2, just a normal day. Simple and honest. Native speakers love this sentence.
Yes. And number 3, busy but good. This one is everywhere. Busy but good.
Repeat after me. Busy but good. You can use this today.
And viewers, notice something. These sentences are short, but they sound confident. That's the magic.
I want to say something important here. Don't wait to be fluent to speak. Speak to become fluent. There's a big difference.
Yes, if you talk about your day every day, even for 1 minute, your English will grow naturally.
You don't need a partner. You can talk to yourself while walking, cooking, or resting. That practice counts.
And no one is judging you. English is not a test here. It's a tool for life. Use it freely.
All right, we're coming to the end now. This was a very simple topic, but also a very important one. Talking about your day is real English.
Yes, no pressure, no big words, just you, your life, and simple sentences. That's how confidence starts.
So now we want to ask you, viewers, what did you learn today? One sentence, one idea, anything. Think about it for a second.
And here's a small challenge for you. In the comments, write one sentence about your day. Just one. Like, my day was busy but good.
Yes, don't overthink it. Write it the way you would say it. Mistakes are welcome.
And if this conversation felt comfortable to you, like two friends talking, then this channel is for you. You're learning the right way.
You can subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next conversations. We'll keep things slow, real, and human. That's our promise.
Thank you for spending this time with us. We really appreciate you listening. Take care of yourself and keep speaking English a little every day.
All right then. Have a nice day or a nice evening wherever you are. See you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.